Hi, this is Chef Javed from Punjab Guild at Marina Bay Sands, and I would like to showcase you my new recipe that's called veg moly sauce. So heat the pan, add the oil, add the mustard seed, let the mustard seed spatter. When mustard seed goes to spatter, slightly add curry leaves. Curry leaves give you a nice flavor to your moly sauce. Some garlic, saute it. The garlic is slightly light brown color is coming. We will add some chopped onion and again we'll saute it well. Now we are going to add turmeric powder. So toss it nicely. Add some black pepper. This is a very important spice to make your moly a little spicy, but not that chili spicy. The pepper is spicy. Now we are going to add coconut milk into it. Add little water if required. Mix it well, nicely. See the color of your moly. Wow, so nice. Let it cook for a while. Very nice color combination of the vegetable, and towards the end don't forget to put a salt as per your taste buds. So here it is, vegetable coconut moly is ready. Please try it at your home, try this recipe and do please leave your comment. I will be back with more interesting recipe. See you soon.